To start, the power must be turned on. Press the top of the power button on the left side of the machine. The power switch will illuminate and the computer display board will turn on. Once the power is on, the Biostar computer will take about 10 seconds to boot up. The model is prepared for the thermal forming process using either the platform or pellets. Pellets are used to block the formation of material to unwanted model surfaces, especially when forming rigid materials. Also, this prevents excess stretching and thinning of the plastic. To prepare for pellet use, remove the platform from the inner lip of the cup. Dispense pellets to half fill the cup. Also dispense pellets into the drawer that is located at the bottom of the machine. The drawer should be half filled with pellets. The model is placed in the center of the pellet cup. The cup's rim should be at the height to the outside surface of the model, which the material is to terminate. For example, when making a Hawley retainer, the plastic is not formed to the outside surfaces of the model. Thus, the tops of the teeth are referenced to the height of the cup's rim. Remove the pellet drawer from the bottom of the machine and fill the gaps between the outside surface of the model to the top ledge of the cup's rim. Overfill these gaps. Then return the pellet drawer into the machine and level the pellets with a 1-inch paintbrush. Excess pellets will funnel under the cup and be caught in the drawer. Make sure the outer ring of the cup is free of pellets. The platform is used for soft and or thinner plastics less than or equal to 1 millimeter to be formed around the entire model. To prepare the platform for use, the pellet level in the cup must be below the inner lip. The cup's inner lip supports the platform, thus all pellets or other debris must be removed from this ledge for a flush fit. The platform is placed into the pellet cup to rest on the inner lip. The flat surface of the platform should face upward. The model with a flat trim base is placed on the center of the platform. In this application, the heel or back end of the model should be referenced towards the open chamber. The shorter the model height, the less material stretch or thinning will occur during the forming process. Before the heating cycle can begin, a material is selected and secured onto the pressure chamber. Remove the clamping ring from the chamber and center the disc over the black gasket. Replace the clamp over the chamber, offsetting the handle to the right. Center the clamping ring and rotate the handle to the left to tighten. Clamping ring handle and handle on chamber should be parallel to one another. Once the material is clamped in place, a heating time is determined. Heating times are identified on each box of material. The user can enter the heating time or code into the Biostar computer. This will tell the machine how long to heat the material when the lamp is swung over the chamber. To enter the heating time, press the clock button and enter the time in seconds. Then press the clock button again to register this time. The heating cycle begins when the lamp is swung over the chamber. Warning beeps will sound with 5 seconds remaining, letting the user know the heating time is nearing its end. Then a continuous beep will identify the end of the cycle. At that time, swing the lamp to the backstop position and immediately begin the thermal forming process. Grab the chamber handle and rotate it over the model in or on the pellet cup or platform. Lock the chamber in place and enter the air pressure by rotating the handle on the right side of the machine to the front. If a code was entered prior to the heating cycle, a predetermined time will start. Otherwise, the machine will automatically enter a default time. If this time is too short, the chamber may stay compressed until the user evacuates the process. A series of beeps will identify the pressure molding and cooling cycle is complete. Evacuate the pressure chamber by pressing the button on the keyboard. Allow the pressure to completely drain before unlocking the chamber handle. Then unlock the clamping ring or frame holding the material to the chamber and swing open the chamber. Carefully remove the formed material and model from the machine. Also place the clamping ring back onto the chamber. If pellets were used, scrape off pellets that may have stuck to the material. Do this over the pellet cup.